All right, what's going on, guys? So again, if you're looking for a home here in North Las Vegas, we're gonna check out this home built by DR Horton up here in the master plan community of Heartland. So you're gonna wanna stay tuned. All right, so again, we're gonna check out this house built by DR Horton. This is the 2989 model. This guy's starting at 509 right now. And the cool thing about this specific house is because at the other community, they all have 2-car garages. This community that we're sitting in right now are gonna have all 3-car garages right here. The other cool thing is the backyard space. You're gonna have a little bit more backyard compared to the community with the 2-car garages. So let's go ahead and go inside and check it out. So you're gonna have a beautiful home right here. Again, we're here in North Las Vegas. I'm really liking the additional or option for this 3rd-car garage right here. So if you're looking for extra space for maybe your vehicle, maybe some toys, maybe some fitness equipment, I think that 3rd-car garage is gonna be very useful. So again, as usual, as a standard, you're gonna have your pavers right here as your driveway. You're gonna have some desert landscaping right in front. And let's take a look inside. All right, so right when you walk in, you're gonna have the stairway to the right here. Again, this is almost 3,000 square foot of living space, guys. And right to our right, we're gonna have a storage closet, coat closet, whatever you wanna call it. It does have a smart panel box right here. So that does house your modem, your router, your Cat6 cables. Now, the interesting observation I noticed here is right from this entryway, you've got the formal dining area right here. Now, I always thought that was a little weird with this floor plan, but let me know in the comments below what you guys think about that. So right when you enter the house, it leads you right to the dining room area right there. Now, this is gonna be the door to the 3-car garage, which they always keep it locked, but I thought I'd try anyway. So this is a 5-bedroom house, guys. And the nice thing about it is you've got one of the bedrooms right here on the 1st floor. So really useful, give you some separation, maybe for an elderly parent that doesn't want to go up and down the stairs, maybe an older child that needs some extra privacy. Has a huge walk-in closet right there. And with this bedroom, it also comes with the full bath right here. You've got the single sink and a walk-in shower. Now the nice thing about DR Horton is they've got the phrase, what you see is what you get, which means basically all the options and structural options have already been selected for the home, meaning the color of the cabinets, the color of the countertops, the floors. So by the time that they release a lot, they're gonna give you a list of all the options that have been selected for the home, whether it has white cabinets, gray cabinets. So it's gonna be up to you to be okay with those options before going into contract. The other nice thing is all the appliances are gonna be included. So you're gonna have this stainless steel Whirlpool refrigerator. You're gonna have a nice gas stove. You've got the microwave along with the stainless steel dishwasher right here. The other appliances that are gonna be included is gonna be your washer dryer, which is located upstairs. Now, the other advantage of them being able to pick out all the options for you is that it shortens the actual build time. So typical build time for most new construction, I would say, is about 6 to 8 months. From the time that they release this lots, it's about a 60 to up to 90-day build time. Now, the other difference between the community with the 2-car garages is this community with the 3-car garages offers you a little bit more lot space. So the average lot space over here is about 5,000 square feet. The nice thing is you're gonna have this extra space right here on the side due to that 3rd-car garage right here. And according to the builder's agent, you're gonna have about 26 feet from the perimeter wall to the back of the house right here. So a pretty good amount of space if you're planning on building a pool and adding it to your backyard. Hey, so real quick, if you're new to my channel, what we do here is I take you all around the valley showing you beautiful homes, as well as what it's like living here in Las Vegas. So if these videos are something that you enjoy, please consider hitting that like button, that subscribe button, and the notification bell. That way you're always notified when I come out with new videos. So to give you an idea of exactly where we're located, again, we're in the master plan community of Heartland up here in North Las Vegas. We're just right around the corner from the Aliante Casino. But from here to the Strip, we're about 30 minutes without traffic. And if you're traveling out of Vegas. You're gonna take the Harry Reid Airport, and we're about 40 minutes away from the airport. Now, if you're gonna be commuting from your home and traveling all around the valley, the nice thing is the 215 Beltway is just right around the corner as well. So it'll be easy for you to just hop onto that freeway and get to where you need to be. All right, so let's go ahead and walk upstairs, see what we're working with up here. Let's check out this upstairs right here. So you got this nice spacious loft right here. You've got this large window giving you some natural light, but super spacious. Now you've got the primary bedroom on that side, and then in this model, you're gonna have the laundry room on the second floor. Now the previous model that I saw here in DR Horton, they had the laundry room on the first floor. Let me know in the comments below what you guys prefer. Do you like your laundry room on the first floor or the second floor? So the nice thing is most of the secondary bedrooms are all pretty big. Most standard bedrooms are about 10 by 10 around the valley here, but this is about 11 by 12 secondary bedroom space. And again, you're gonna have the 3 bedrooms all on this side of the house, which is nice because it gives you some separation from the primary bedroom. All right, so over here, we've got the primary bedroom, which is a nice large living space over here. We've got a seating area over there in the corner. You got tons of space from the foot of the bed. And over here, we got our primary bath over here to the left. And of course, we've got the large, massive walk-in closet to our right. So I don't know about you or if you've got even enough clothes to fill in this closet right here. The one thing I love is this really large bathroom right here. You've got your dual sinks right there, some beautiful cabinets that matches the ones downstairs in the kitchen. You got the enclosed door or toilet area right there, which is really nice. And of course, you've got your walk-in shower right there. So really, really nice. All right, guys, so hopefully you enjoyed this home tour. And if you've got any questions about this house or any home here in Las Vegas, I'll have all my information down below. Feel free to contact me via email, text, phone call, whatever's convenient for you. I look forward to hearing you guys. See you guys on the next one.